Flip phones has become more and more popular throughout the years, and smartphone manufacturers are spending large amounts of money for their research and development to provide consumers foldables that feels much more refined and much more practical to use rather than just something for show. And the Vivo X Flip might be one of the best flippable phones that we have checked out. Hey everyone, Harel here, VivoTech, and join me as we explore more of the Vivo X Flip's features and answer the question, is this the foldable that we are all waiting for? Let us all find out in this hands-on. The Vivo X Flip is an innovative folding smartphone that offers a unique experience in the world of mobile devices. With its folding design, it combines the convenience of a compact form factor with the versatility of a large 6.7-inch screen when unfolded. Before anything else, let us all check out this device's build quality. The Vivo X Flip has a hinge mechanism that feels sturdy, allowing you to have two viewing angles. Half open, which is good for when taking selfies and TikTok, and fully open when of course using the phone itself. The device felt solid in the hands, and the materials used in its construction gave it a premium look and feel. We have a full leather material at the back with some fake stitchings, and honestly, we dig its design as it feels less slippery in the hands as compared to some other flip in the market which has a frosted or shiny glass back panel. We do also appreciate that you can eliminate fingerprint smudges here, meaning less cleaning. With all that, we do hope that this faux leather will age good over time, but it's for us to find out. Now when it comes to the display, the Vivo X Flip boasts a 6.74-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2520 by 1080 capable of producing a sharp 407 ppi. The display does support an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color, as well as HDR10 for a better picture quality. The cover display, on the other hand, has a sizable 3-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 682 by 422 pixel resolution with a standard 60Hz refresh rate. This external display is pretty handy for quick notification and easy access to basic functions, and that's about it. Yeah, it is large. It's actually larger than the one that we have on the Motorola Razr, but unlike the Motorola Razr cover display where you can pretty much open all the apps that you have on your phone, this one, we are just limited to only a dozen or so app selection. Both the main and cover display has a good color reproduction and viewing angles, and viewable under direct sunlight. We haven't had any issues with the cover display as well as the main display, as it is good as it can get. Vivo tried to conceal the crease by having it folded inwards, but over time, we can feel and see that slight bump when using the device. Now, in terms of performance, the Vivo X Flip offers a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip that features an Adreno 738 GPU. The unit we have has 12 gigs of RAM, which is extended up to an additional 8 gigs, and 256 gigs of non-expandable storage. In our testing, this device provided us a smooth overall experience, whether you're browsing the web, playing graphically intensive games, or just running multiple apps simultaneously. This one can handle it pretty well. Now when it comes to its cameras, the Vivo X Flip has a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50-megapixel main with an aperture of 1.8 and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with an aperture of 2.2. These cameras are equipped with Zeiss optics and T-lens coating. In addition, we do also have a dual LED flash here as well. Up front, we do get a 32-megapixel wide selfie camera with an aperture of 2.5. For image quality, to our surprise, the Vivo X Flip produces excellent photo quality. The camera performs well in various lighting conditions, capturing detailed shots with accurate colors and good dynamic range. Now when it comes to video, the Vivo X Flip can record at 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. And just like its image quality, videos are sharp with good contrast with ample amount of details. There's also OIS in the mix, making sure that your videos are buttery smooth. Usually, flip phones has the worst battery performance, but hey, the Vivo X Flip performs impressive in this segment. It rocks a 4,400 mAh capacity with support for 44-watt wired fast charging. Our video loop test results and proprietary battery bench results were astonishingly high, better than all other foldables we have tested before. In our testing, this device provided us with enough juice to get throughout a full day of moderate usage. The device supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. Onto the software side of things, the Vivo X Flip runs on customized version of Android 13 called Origin OS 3. In our opinion, it looks clean and has tons of customization options. Unfortunately, since this device, as of the moment, is only available in China, there are apps that we are not familiar with. Also, there are Chinese language settings throughout the UI, and there's no option to completely switch to English language, so keep that in mind. But once we have Google Play installed through third-party APK installer, we are able to sideload Google services and use it just like any other smartphone. But overall, the software is intuitive and responsive, enhancing the overall user experience. One aspect that may concern some users is the thickness of this device when folded. Compared to non-folding smartphones, the Vivo X Flip can be a bit bulkier. However, it is a trade-off for the flexibility and larger screen size it provides when folded, and mind you, there is no gaps when it is on its clamshell position. Now, in conclusion, the Vivo X Flip is an impressive foldable smartphone that offers unique and versatile experience. Its solid build quality, vibrant display, powerful performance, and excellent camera capabilities make it a compelling choice for those seeking for a foldable device. The only deal breaker for us is the fact that it is not configured for Philippine market, as there are a bunch of Chinese apps pre-installed, as well as features that are only available in China. But nonetheless, the Vivo X Flip can easily compete with Samsung's Galaxy Flip 4 and pretty much up there in the ranks of the Oppo Find N2 and other flippable smartphones in the market for that matter. Do watch out for our full review of this phone in our website. But the question is this the foldable that we are all waiting for? Unfortunately, it isn't. No one has produced the perfect foldable at this era, as there are some drawbacks here and there. The limitations on what you can do on its cover display, the crease that can worsen over time, and the durability of the display. But if you are in the market for a foldable device and you can skip these drawbacks, definitely the Vivo X Flip is worth considering. And this is pretty much our hands-on video for the Vivo X Flip. Do let us know what do you guys think about this device in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit yougettech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Narelle, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.